welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I am going to be showing you another one of the brand new Rene of Paris Alexander Couture collection wigs for 2022. These have just come out. This is Amara, and the color on this one is a new color called Smoke Ivory. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start looking at Amara in this pretty color Smoke Ivory. So Amara is just a really cute pixie. She's got some short layers up here on the top so you can get a lot of texture. You know, if you wanted to go in and spray her with some water and shake her up a little bit, or you could use some styling creme or something like that and really wake up those fibers. What I do with these basic cap wigs when I first take them out of the box, is I just shake them and just wake up the permatease, wake up the layers. But she's fairly low, you know, she does have permatease since she's a basic cap wig, but she's not full of it and she's not super poofy, which I like. But you can get some volume with these short layers if you comb them back. And we'll play around with her, you know, with styling at the end of the video. So she's a little bit asymmetrical, at least this one is. The layers on this side are a little bit longer, so you can sweep those down and point those towards your face if you want to. Or of course you could tuck them behind your ears. And then this color is so pretty, Smoke Ivory, just a very, very pretty salt and pepper rooted color. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll look at, you know, all of her specs and everything. So here's my left, the back, my right, and then back to the front. Okay, so as I said, cap-wise, she is a basic cap. So you're not gonna have a lace front here. You're not gonna have any, you know, monopart, monofilament anywhere on the wig. She doesn't even have a mono crown or anything. So that keeps her price point really low, which is nice. And on these little pixies, a lot of times a basic cap is all you need. You don't need all that. As I said, you can play around with these layers. With this rooted color, it gives you the appearance of a parting space anyway. So she's really, really cute. I will show you around the ear tabs here. I've got good coverage. This is fitting quite petite on me, so I don't know, you know, it's an average size wig, but I don't know that it would go that high above average. So a little bit of extra room forehead to nape, but ear to ear, it's fitting me very, very nicely. And circumference, I didn't even have to adjust. So just something to note if you are, you know, way above average, maybe 22.5 it would fit, but I don't know that it would go up to 23. So really, really cute. Okay, so as far as, I will show you the top though. I like to show you guys the top on a basic cap. So I'm not seeing like nesty permatease or anything. And as I said, I do like how that rooting gives you the appearance of a part. And when I take it off, excuse me, I'll show it to you up front too, or up close too. Okay, so measurement wise, the bang here is 1.97 to 3.35. So it gradually gets a little bit longer here around the face. And I'm just swooping that off. If you wanted it straight across your forehead, you might have to clip it just a little bit. Okay, and then from the crown, there is a 3.14 inch layer, and then her nape is 1.57 inches, so very short layers all the way around. Weight-wise, she's super light, 2 ounces, so really, really lightweight. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at her interior cap. Here's the top. So as I said, you know, not bad for permatease at all. I'm not seeing anything that's sticking up that looks nesty or anything like that. Just keep in mind that she has short layers. That's why you're seeing a few little hairs that are sticking up there. But nothing bad as far as, you know, nesty feeling permatease that sticks up and all that stuff. And I really just feel the permatease more on the top, and to give this top, this crown lift, of course. But then throughout the wig, like going down, like I said, she's not real big and poofy in the back or anything. She's flatter in the back, which is nice, looks much more natural. Okay, so into your cap. There's your, you know, top of your basic cap. There's a nice soft strip here that's gonna lay against your forehead. She's got the lace covered, yes, sorry, they're hard to see on a black cap. Lace covered ear tabs. with a nice piece of metal in there. Open wefted all through the cap. She has pull adjusters, and like I said, with my petite circumference, 21 inches, I didn't even have to pull these in. And then she doesn't have an extended nape, but with her short nape, it's not really needed. This is a soft felt strip here that will lay against the nape there. She does have some stretch, but she's fitting my petite head quite nicely, so something to note. Okay, let's take a look at this pretty new color, Smoke Ivory. What a beautiful gray this is, white gray. So it says it's platinum white, transcends into smoked ivory with white tipped ends and a soft ash brown root. So you'll see when we go outside that the root is not quite as dark as it looks on camera. It's looking darker up against those, the whites, you know, that white color. But it's actually, not as dark. We'll see that when we go outside. So you're gonna see that rooting. You can see it throughout the piece. Anywhere you separate the hair. See it not so much around the face. This isn't really with it being a basic cap in these short layers, it's not gonna be an off the face style. So, there's a little bit of it under there, but I don't really think it's gonna show much. Because even if you were to push it up, you wouldn't want to push it all the way up because you don't have a lace front there. And you can see that, that rooting underneath there. So here we are with just overhead room lighting. Pardon me. So you can see already that the rooting is not super dark. I would say this color is it's a cool color. Doesn't really have warmth in it. When you get into the whites and the gray, these kind of grays, silvers, ash brown root, you're looking at a cool color. Glasses and do some styling for her. So normally I like to have my glasses on the outside of my ear tabs, but they don't work that well on the outside of the ear tabs with this particular style. So when I do that, you can wear them that way if you want to, but I don't like the way the hair looks right there. So on this particular style, I actually slid my glasses under the cap so that it goes under the hair, because these layers are so thin and so short that it just, to me, looks better to have the glasses slid underneath my ear tabs. And it's not uncomfortable. So the only time I don't like to do that is if I do that and then it feels like it's really, the glasses are then really squeezing my head, then I would probably try to just maybe maneuver through the hair. Yeah, you could do that. You're gonna kind of have a little bit of the glasses showing, but if you had short hair like this, it would do that anyway, so. Okay, so just something a little different about the glasses, I guess, so. Okay, so she's cute with a headband. You could just stick a headband in, or you could tuck the hair behind your ears. Put the headband in. You're always going to have these bangs that are going to be on your forehead, but then you can fluff it back behind the headband and that would look cute. So that looks cute. So the main thing you're going to be able to do with this is volumize on the top. So again, you might have to use some water, get those layers wet, shake them out really nicely. You might have to wet the wig and hang it upside down overnight or something like that if you want to get this volume on top. And then you could use, some styling creme and, just play around with it. But you can definitely get some more height up here on the top if that is your thing and that is how you want to wear it. So lots of height. If you like to wear it like that. I prefer it to be, you know, smoother and more flat. And I do like these little layers right around my face, but just for something different, you know. So the other thing you could do with her, you know, she's got short layers, so there's not a ton you could do, but you can always put little cute clips in, you know, just something fun. Put one on either side, or just put one in, or whatever, you know. Do something cute like that with her. So she does have some, you know, potential for a little bit of styling, even though she really has very short layers. So she's cute. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information down below this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.